After the initial first bad build, Sasà worked tirelessly to help me find the correct spokes and a good replacement mechanic.
Si parte da qui. Si parte da qui. Andrea, però voglio dirti una
cosa. No, per la pizza, Simone, per la pizza! Una alla volta, amore. No!
While we waited for the Rohloff compatible spokes to arrive from Germany, another weekend came and went.
Pizza, Simone? È buona? Anche per Elsie tonno e cipolla? Ecco per me, grazie. Ma tu sei un genio!
40 Sapim 266mm Rohloff compatible spokes, the new mechanic.
che non lo troviamo finché non arriviamo al punto. Dai questo mezzo giro, così e tensione polare, da quella mantiene quella.
E lui lo fa da un po' più tempo di te, no? Cioè, si spaccano proprio i coglioni.
I'm not really getting to participate because the conversation's all in Italian. There's some confusion about whether the rim holes are in French or European formation. The rims are Swiss, which doesn't really resolve that question. I do feel a sort of need to supervise and make sure I understand and make sure it's going correctly, but also my involvement is just a third person getting in the way, so I'm just trying to let them work it out for themselves, which is very difficult. I want to be involved, but I also am not adding any sort of technical expertise, so I just have to sort of sit and wait and trust that they're going to do it correctly for me, because I can't afford any more time for mistakes.
5, 6, no, conta il buco fuori dal raggio.
Dove il raggio?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C'è il raggio al quinto foro.
Tutta la bottiglia.
Siamo molto più rilassati.
Ora una foto così,
He's much improved.
Corrisponde tra le 23 e le 24 unità.
Non si tocca un raggio, guarda. Non si toccano.
Sì.
Tutto omogeneo e sulla valvola ci abbiamo
È libero, vedi?
Sì.
O no? Quell'altro ragazzo non so chi è.
Francesco viene adesso.
Ah.
La tensione, vedi? Questo sta a 23, 22 e mezzo. Quello prima stava sì.
Okay, back on the road with the newly built wheel. I've been told that I should aim at the potholes because I'm going to return tomorrow. I'm also going to go for a ride tomorrow with the luggage and then return to have a final tweak. Ciao! I wonder if that was the warm showers couple that wrote to Claudia to stay, but she had to turn them down because I'm taking up all the space. Sorry guys! We're not out the woods yet. I've got a puncture which I imagine is from a spoke, right? The problem is when the tyre blew up in the mechanics, he had to replace it with one of these French valve jobbies, and I don't really know what I'm doing with these. It's strange to be rooting for a bog standard puncture, because if it's a spoke I'm going to lose my mind. I'm also down to just 2 tyre levers, so I'm not thrilled about this either. So straight away, there's air coming out of the valve. I will check the tyre just in case. And you can enjoy how pretty the B&B is outside after dark. Since I've got the tyre off anyway, have a little look at the wheel. I don't know what I'm looking at, but that looks pretty good. No protruding spokes. I'm genuinely sorry for what I'm about to show you. I just pumped up the tyre, all was good, but I heard a leak. The leak was coming from the valve. No, how can this have happened? Did I damage the valve somehow when I switched the sides on my pump because I'm no good at the Presta valve? So I was losing my mind. I can't deal with this right now. I watched a YouTube tutorial on how to fix a Schroeder valve, and look, sorry for the this is my spittle, but look how it's not bubbling out of the valve. I fixed it. I thought I'd worked past dinner time, so what an amazing treat. Thank you. How much am I going to miss? Mozzarella. This one.
Stop.
Ciao. Okay, final hopefully visit to the mechanic. I'm loaded up this time. It's a little bit stressful. I'm listening to every little sound that I don't recognise. Fellow Clinique is a curious place tacked on to the back of this car mechanics.
Okay.
Time to buy some thank you gifts. Very fancy looking chocolate fondente artigianale. I can almost speak Italian now.